I'm the Vice President and Business Unit Manager. It's exciting to be back here at Farnborough. The energy at this show really reflects the optimism of this industry to come roaring back after the most challenging years that we faced.
My name is Mark Agami. I'm the Vice President of Engineering. We specialize in providing aerospace sensors that are engineered product, custom solutions for our customers.
Sensors and fluid management systems is really leaning into our corporate objectives around sustainability. Our product is high performance, high accuracy, and high temperature, which naturally supports the market needs for higher efficiency aircraft and engines. Our technology roadmap continues to evolve to meet these objectives for the future.
Products go through a qualification process where we have extensive in-house test capability, where we will ensure that our sensors meet our customer requirements.